Hello everyone, for this part we continue to modeling pressing system. Delete the reference beam. We do not want to use this beam anymore. Click on delete. OK. Click on the model beam again. Select the section. This is a part of pressing. We provide the stability against the out of plane of the building. Control select again, right click, copy. Click on the edge pressing. Change the section. Select the whatever section you want to use. As the run like design, we can come back and optimize the section of the pressing system again. No matter, just click on which one you want to use and change the section. Yeah, this category is correct. You can add the new category as I showed you previously, and the connection bold. Okay. Click, enter. Enter again. Select the whole frame, edit, mirror, untick it all. Click on the pairs, press pair, click the best point, click the second point. The same, select the whole frame, copy, untick it all, click on pairs only. There are 10 pairs. Yes. Click on the pressing system again. Enter. Enter. Select on the edge pressing. Click on the node, drag and drop to the top node. Control select. Use the edit, mirror, click best point, second point, click on the edge pressing, right click, copy, click the best point, click the end point. This is how you can model the pressing system in Tekla Structural Designer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.